वो बता देगा। क्या ये पीडीएफ वो तीसरा वाला पीडीएफ है जो कि जिसमें मेन कंटेंट है। इसमें एप्टीट्यूड रीजनिंग, वो एप्टीट्यूड का जो रीजनिंग है मोस्टली प्रॉफिट लॉस, परसेंटेज, टाइम एंड वर्क, पाइप एंड सिस्टम, दुनिया भर के जो प्रॉब्लम्स हैं वो इधर से कर देंगे। और जो जय ने पीडीएफ भेजा था एमएस गोवा के लिए, उसको मैं चेकआउट कर रहा था। उसमें मैकेनिकल रीजनिंग वाला कुछ चीजें हैं, तो उससे पहले उस थोड़ा सा कॉन्सेप्ट पढ़ने के बाद उसको आप मतलब सॉल्व कर सकते हैं। तो वो अभी तो 1-2 दिन तक मतलब उसको भी साथ में लेके चलेंगे, ठीक है। धीरे धीरे अलग अलग सेक्शन कंप्लीट तीनों ही करना
चार्ल्स
है,
कुछ
ठीक है।
एक सेकंड। चार्ल्स क्या कहना चाह रहे हो भाई?
कुछ कहना
Bro,
चाह रहे
actually, I don't know Hindi.
हो? ओके ओके
हाँ
ओके
यार,
ओके। चार्ल्स, नाउ
केरला।
नाउ आई विल बी स्पीकिंग इन इंग्लिश ओनली। Thanks for letting us know. Okay. You
Ah,
can,
Okay.
you are understanding my English. You are
yeah,
get,
it's
yeah.
good.
Okay. All right. All right. All right, Charles. Thanks for so much. ठीक है. Okay, guys. Let's get started. So this question is first question is marathon is a race as hibernation. Hibernation is two. Which one? Anyone? Anyone, guys?
हाइबरनेशन रहता है क्या? व्हाट इज
Hiber.
हाइबरनेशन?
See, marathon is a race. Come on, yaar. There is a marathon you must have heard of in a race. So hibernation. Anyone
या
wanna give answer? There is four option. No one. Okay. I will
ड्रीम
be.
और स्लीप समथिंग लाइक दैट।
Sleep. Hibernation is related with sleep. Let's check out hibernation. Okay. Meaning of hibernation. We will be learning together everything. I am also not very much prepared on an early basis. I am learning with you also. Hibernation means, as I know, it means related with sleep. Hibernation. What is called hibernation? Let's see. Hibernation is when an animal slows its heart's rate to save energy and survive the winter without eating much. Some animals just slow down. Means Seet Nidra.
ठीक है।
Okay, something related with sleep. Does hibernation mean sleeping? Despite what you may have heard, species that hibernate don't sleep during the winter. Hibernation is extended form of torpor.
हाइबरनेशन
Hibernation is something like slowing heart speed. It is more like sleeping. Okay. Similar and opposite word. Slumber, coma, rest, sleep. You are getting it?
राइट।
Synonyms of hibernation. Let's send. So let's see what it is. Option D. It's a sleep. Okay. Now coming to the next question. Window is pan is to pen as book is to. Anyone?
कवर।
Cover. Window is pan. What is pan means? What is pan means? Guys, anyone know what is pan? Don't know? Let's search.
फ्रेम सेक्शन ऑफ ए विंडो।
Frame section of a window. Window pan. Let's see. Window pan. One piece of glass in a window. Oh, it's a part of window. Okay. One piece of glass window. Okay. So, analogy will be book. What is the part of book? Novel, glass, Glass, no. Cover, cover is above the book. Page is inside a piece of a book, a part of a book. I think page. Someone said cover, na?
It might be page. Yeah.
Anybody would like to?
Yes, I said
How
cover.
many people are saying page and how many people are saying cover? Guys, take part, take part.
Page,
Amston, page. Hers,
page.
page. Anyone
Page,
cover?
page.
Cover.
If we will discuss more, we will remember more.
Yeah.
Cover is Charles and everyone is page. Okay, let's see what it is. Okay, it's page, guys. We
It's a
won.
page, bro.
We won. Okay, all right. Yard is to inch. Yard is to inch as quart is to. You know, it's a unit. Okay, so we measure yard in inch. So what we will measure in quart? Ounce, milk, liquid, gallon. Any idea? Let's see.
Gallon, I think, क्योंकि it's related to the volume.
Volume. Yeah, paua, paua. Quart means paua. Let's see.
Yeah.
Let's see. Let's see. We'll learn. बी आउंस ना ना, ये इंपॉर्टेंट है, फिर इसको लगाना पड़ेगा. इट्स इंपॉर्टेंट देन. लेट मार्क इट रेड. ओके, someone is typing. Okay, what is the answer? Ounce ना.
Ounce.
अरे यार ये कहाँ गया? Yard is quart is 2 inch and ounce. Let's search more about ounce ना. Okay, the more we will know
Yeah,
about.
search about the quart first.
Okay.
It is also showing that equal to 154 gallon
Hmm.
or 32 ounce.
Okay, let's see, let's see, let's see. Therefore, the word yard is ounce. What is ounce? Is a yard to inch as quarter is to ounce. The yard is 2 inch as quarter. Explanation: a yard is larger unit of measurement. See, a yard is a larger unit of measurement than an inch. A yard contains 36 inch. Okay. A quart is a larger unit of measurement than an ounce. A quart contains 32 ounce. Yeah. Okay. So it's a sub
Okay.
part. It can be like yard is a superset and inch is a subset. Quart is a superset. Inch is a ounce is a subset. This is important to remember. Okay. Let's send it on group for the remembrance. These units.
Yard.
Okay, let me send it here. The yard, in 1 yard, how many inches? Guys, speak up. 36 inches. Okay,
36.
okay. And in 1 quart, how many ounces? It's
32.
32 ounces. Okay, yard is a bigger unit of which? Guys, speak. Someone is a bigger unit of
Inch.
which? Inch. Okay, and
Inch.
quart is a bigger unit of ounce. Okay, should we search for also gallon and gallon? Okay, let's see gallon. What is gallon?
Yes.
Yeah, we should go for that. Let's see. Gallon is a measurement unit, as we think. Yeah, it is seeming like that. We must have heard of 5 gallon, 6 gallon. Okay, that dabba, that container is called gallon, na? Let's see. Gallon. Gallon, a measure of liquid, 4.5 liters or 3.8 liters. Oh, a liquid that is 4.5 liter is 1 gallon. Okay, and 3.8
That
liter
is,
in
yeah.
America. So gallon to liter. What is meant by 1 gallon? A United States unit liquid capacity equal to 4 parts or to 31 cubic inches or 3.78 liter. A British unit 4.5 liter. I think it's important. Okay, gallon. Gallon is a unit of measurement for liquid, and 1 gallon equal to how many liter, guys? Come on, anyone? राकेश बोलना. ए,
4.5 liters.
हाँ 4.5 liter for Britishers
Yeah.
and for American 3.8 liter. Remember that. Okay.
Right.
हाँ. Now ounce is a unit
Okay.
also. Ounce is a subset of quart. 1 quart is 32 ounce. 1 yard is 36 inches. All right. Moving above. Now we'll be seeing the next question, guys. Okay. Let's see. Each question has an underlined word followed by 4 answer choices. Alright, you will choose the word that is necessary part of the underlined word. Got it? Now, harvest, harvest, ottoman, stockpile, tractor, crop. Guys, anyone, you must have heard of harvesting uh,
Crop.
in in farming. Okay, necessary form of
Crop.
harvest. Okay, so who is saying crop? Rakesh. Anyone else? What is their
Yes.
answer? Anyone, guys? Any other option? I will say tractor because we need a tractor to harvest. Let's
It
see.
might be the
One mode for tractor, one mode for crop. Anyone, guys? Else? Okay, so let's see the answer. What it is? It's a D,
Crop.
crop. So you have won the match, Rakesh. Congratulations. This is a
thank
crop.
you.
Okay.
Thank you.
So
Thank you.
you need a crop to harvest.
And why it is not tractor?
Hmm? Oh yeah, it is
Why
not
it is not
tractor.
the tractor? Yeah.
Yeah,
Even tractor is
I
Means
misconfused. I misconfused. I will remember this. I will remember this. And so let's see more
no
about.
to harvest. You can use a tractor as well. No.
Yeah, but for if you don't have crop, which thing you harvest? Okay, इट्स फॉर भाई आम आम खाने के लिए पहले आम का पेड़ तो होना जरूरी है लाइक टू ईट मैंगो यू नीड मैंगो ट्री फर्स्ट
Yes. Yes.
या so let's see about harvest more
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
it's a process or what it's a process related to farming harvest what is the meaning of what harvest the season for gathering in agricultural crops, the beginning of the harvest. Oh, the act of process of gathering a crop, crop. So it is all about crop. Okay. So sending guys, yeah. Now again, the next question is desert. For what is most important in desert? Cactus, arid, oasis, flat. We have necessary part of the underlying word. So desert. I will go with the. I don't know about arid oasis. I know in desert there is a cactus. So I will go with the cactus. Anyone else? Rakesh, what's your
Yes,
turn?
cactus.
Yes. Yes.
Cactus,
Cactus.
cactus. Let's see. Guys, we all are wrong. Okay. Let's learn about what is this arid thing. Come on. My voice is clear. So
yeah.
I am not having my camera, so I am speaking so loudly. Thank God there is my room partner is not here. Otherwise, we would have arid. Oh. Arid is used about land or climate, very dry, with little or no rain. What does it to mean? Excessively dry, specifically having insufficient rainfall to support agriculture. Uh, Arid. Arid. We will also learning. We have learned one thing about arid. One thing. Now one new meaning, that is arid. Let's also learn about oasis. Isn't, guys?
Yeah, what
Yeah.
is a oasis?
Yeah. Let's see. Let's see. What is oasis? Oasis. What does oasis means? A fertile or green area in an arid region such as a desert. The caravan stop to rest at an oasis, something that provides refugee relief or please contrast. Oasis meaning in Hindi, we will also be searching. Oasis is something like fertile area, so it is not related with the desert. It is a not necessary part of desert. That's why it was not an option. Oasis meaning in Hindi, na Khalistan. Oh God. A fertile tract in a desert. It is not same. Just remember this. Now flat is something flat, cactus. So arid is the option. Now coming to the next question. Guys, book. What is necessary thing for book? Fiction, pages, pictures, learning. Guys,
pages.
yeah, pages. Anyone else who is having different option? Who is having different option? No, guys? Okay, let's see. Pages, yeah. Now, next, what is this? Language. What is the necessary part of language? Tongue, slang, writing, words.
Words.
Words. Anyone else? Words. To make a language, if you don't have tongue, no, tongue. Words can make a language. Anyone else? For slang
What does
also
mean
you need
slang
word.
means? What
Slang
is
is a
slang?
slang is a collection of word that is used for like you
Oh,
are.
okay. Then it.
Slang is like an example. Somebody says you are freaking me out. Okay, but in slang you will see that you will say bit me, bits me, something that is very less word using for a bigger sentences. Okay, something like
Okay.
if I have to say you are a very much egoistic person, but in slang I will say you are
Okay.
full of yourself, you are full of yourself. Okay, you are not seeing anyone. So in slang we
Okay.
just use a word to like that is not supposed to having a similar meaning. Like if you are just for the example I said you are very egoistic person, we know what is egoistic person, egoistic means. But if I am saying you are full of yourself, means it is seeming like that you are egoistic, but the meaning of egoistic not coming from this sentence. Okay, you are full of yourself. Got it, guys? In
Okay.
Hollywood movies mostly
Yeah.
slangs are used.
Good.
Okay, okay, let's see. Yes, words. A desert in a arid tract. Okay, not all deserts are flat. Choice D. Not all deserts are having cactus or oasis. Choice A and C. Ah, making sense. Okay. Now coming to this school for a school, what is very much necessary? A report card? No. Test? No.
Student.
A student is necessary. Without a student, there is
Student.
no school. Okay. Option A. Next, newspaper, press, cloth. Guys, what? Speak up. Come on, fast.
Factory or textile.
Textile. Anyone? Textile, newspaper, press, analogy. If I think I will not go with the textile because If newspaper and paper, for newspaper you need some paper, then I would have go with the textile. But newspaper print in a press, so something like tailor. I think anyone else, guys,
or a
or
mill.
everyone with textile. Let's see what it is.
Mill,
Uh,
mill.
Yeah,
Mill. Okay, there is one option for mill. Anyone say factory? No. My option is, I think it's a tailor. Arrakis is textile. Let's see. Option D, mill. Oh God, it's a mill.
mill.
We have heard of rice mill. There is cloth mill also. Who said mill and what's your explanation, bro? Let's see.
Amsterdam said,
Instant said. Okay.
Because where newspapers are produced is in a press, and where
Mm-hmm.
clothes are produced in a mill.
I device and machine, machine grinding grain.
yeah, that's what we know about
Yeah,
the mill. Grinding mills or
yeah, something. It was coming rice mill, rice mill. Let's see the answer on net. Maybe it's very odd. Yeah, newspaper cloth is manufactured in mill. So the answer is D.
okay.
Okay, it's need to remember, guys.
No,
We all
yeah.
wrong except Amston. Okay, so let's let's send this group. I hope everyone else who is not in this meeting must be irritated by this. Okay, huh? This our messages. Who cares? Okay, so just a newspaper. Okay, now next, melt liquid, freeze what? Liquid will be melt, ice will be freeze. My answer is ice. What's your guys? Everyone ice?
Ice,
Ice,
ice.
ice.
Guys, if anyone
Yeah.
have different answer, then please say on the spot. Okay. Ice. Let's see. It's solid, yaar. God.
That's what.
See na.
Yeah, like,
It will be
it's
solid, yaar. See.
Yeah, and it's because every liquid can't be a yeah.
See. Analogy is the same. Liquid will be melt. Solid will be freeze. It's a very silly mistake, and you guys trusted me. That is, don't trust anyone. Trust yourself. Okay. Solid. Okay. Now,
just
clock time. So, with the help of clock, we see
thermometer
time.
temperature.
Temperature, simple. D. Flower bud. Bud is and plant. So, I think flower comes out from bud. Isn't, guys? So plants comes out from seed. Anyone has have a less have a
Yes.
any else other answer? Okay, let's see.
No
Yeah,
ideas.
it's a seed.
Same,
Just
same.
just like flower come from bud, so plant come from seed. This is the analogy. Okay. Now again, a car garage. Okay. So we
Hanger.
aeroplane hanger, harbor, hangar,
Hanger.
depot, port.
Yeah.
If it would have ship, then it would have port. But as
But
I
yeah.
remember, it's something hanger. Okay. Anyone else, like anyone having else option?
Yes.
Everyone will go with hanger. Let's see. Yes,
No.
hanger. Let's remember this. Let's remember this. It's a new word for us. Okay. Anyone have heard of this other than
GTA नहीं खेला क्या तूने?
हाँ कुछ बोल
GTA नहीं खेला क्या? इसमें तो बहुत है ये.
अरे बचपन में खेला था यार बाबा मार मार के वापस ले आते थे हैंगर बिल्डिंग ओ ओके विमान रखने की इमारत हैंगर लेट्स से हैंगर नाउन ऑल राइट Oxygen burn. Carbon dioxide. Guys, my answer will be extinguish. Anyone else?
Extinguish.
Yeah, we need
Yep.
uh,
Extinguish.
for burning we need oxygen, for extinguish we need carbon dioxide. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, extinguish. If anyone will be not understanding analogy, please let us know. Okay, we'll discuss that. Cobbler, leather. Carpenter, just like cobbler need
Wood.
leather, carpenter need wood. I will go with wood. Anyone having else option? No. So yeah, wood. Now,
Yes, wood only.
yeah,
Okay.
let's now court justice. Court provide justice. Then what must is co-
Education.
Yeah, education. Anyone have having else
Yes.
option?
Yeah.
No. Let's see. Yes, it's education. All right. Who message? Yeah, yeah. It was new for me. New for me because didn't played GTA. हाँ GTA में होता था क्या राकेश?
हाँ
Oh,
भाई
nice.
GTA में बहुत दिखाया उन्होंने GTA 5 में
Oh,
एक्चुअली करा बैन
I had played only GTA 1 with, let's see, and I used to ride only scooter. Okay. Now let's see. Skeleton body, grammar. So with the help of skeleton, body makes up. So what makes grammar? Sentence, language, meaning.
सेंटेंस
Language, meaning,
सेंटेंस
education.
Sentence.
I will go with the
Sentence.
language. Anyone else having else
आई विल
option?
गो विद द
Sentence.
सेंटेंस ब्रो
Sentence. Okay. If skeleton makes a body, then sentence grammar makes sentence. Yeah. Grammar makes language. No. Sentence. Okay. I am also convinced with the sentence. Let's see. Fuck. I should not
यस
believe you guys. It was language. Now tell your analogy. What you thought to sentence? Why it is sentence? Because yeah.
as you said skeleton makes body and grammar makes sentence I thought it would be the sentence
No, no.
yes
Before
education
when we say seen, it was words. No, words makes a language. Previous questions in the this I guess.
Yeah, but grammar without language. What is the use of grammar?
Go to
That
question 7.
question number seven.
Go
Okay.
go to questions.
Who is this,
Yeah,
by
yeah,
the way? Amston language. Yeah.
yeah, yeah, yeah,
In four option, the best option is word. Okay. If there would have grammar,
yeah.
then we would have considered that also. You know, the best option. There is no option for grammar, but here it is. My analogy say that let's see, skeleton is the physical thing that makes a body. So a grammar makes a language. Okay, we can remember this by copying and paste and sending it a group. Oh, what I have said, मैंने तो सब भेज दिया यार. Now, atom matter is made up of atom, particle is made up of particle mates, atom matter particle
molecules
molecules
no
particle. Yeah,
no,
molecule. Anyone? Proton,
Is it
elect
dust? Dust.
dust particle. Yeah, dust particle, matter, atom. Yeah, dust have particle, matter have atom, dust have particles. I will also go with the dust. राकेश तेरा क्या है?
या
तेरा तेरा भी डस्ट. एवरीवन
अभी तो
डस्ट.
डस्ट ही रहेगा
Okay, so we all are dust. Let's see.
Yes.
Yes, we are right. Next, professor, professor lecture, professor provide lecture, so doctor provide medicine, disease,
Medicine.
hospital, medicine. Yeah. Anyone else having option? No. Medicine. Yeah, correct. Now, ship, she, camel, ship, she, camel, ship, she. To travel ship, we need
Desert. Desert.
desert. Okay.
See.
Girl, beautiful. Boy, handsome.
Handsome.
Yeah, okay. Earth, sun.
Yeah.
Earth revolve around sun. Moon revolve around Earth. Guys, okay. Analogy understanding.
Yes.
Okay, let's see. Everyone paying
Yeah.
attention?
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
Earth. Yeah. So now, good, bad. Good, bad. Virtue. I will go with the sin. Anyone having else option? No. See, I have heard of virtuous. God are very virtuous. So that's why I'm going with the sin. Okay, devils do sin, God is virtuous, something like that. Despair is hopeless. Vice is bad habit. Okay, these are the things. So sin and vice are common, but I will go with the sin. Okay, let's see what is the answer. Device. Do. I said no. Vice is the bad habits. Good, bad, virtue. So it's important to remember. Remember, guys. This. What someone typing? राकेश तू टाइप कर रहा है.
What's the meaning of vice?
हाँ. Vice is bad habit. You know, my ex Angela said to me, "Gyan, please leave your vices." So I said, "What is the meaning of vice?" Vice. She said, "Bad habit." Then from only I remember vice meaning.
Okay. Okay.
Vice means criminal activities involving sex or drugs. Oh, bad habit. A moral weakness or this is the why. This is the vice. Remember, guys, new words to learn. New words to learn. Everyone knows about despair. Everyone knows about sin, blame, but vice, virtue. Also, let's see what is the correct meaning of virtue. Okay.
Yan, was there like these questions in Anglo?
Yeah, yeah. Yes, exactly. Isn't Rakesh? There are some question. There are meaning
Okay.
question. There are synonyms where you should know about this.
Like
Yeah, it's a very important PDF. This PDF
Okay.
was
Okay.
Panakia, means Rambad for me. Okay, a behavior which shows high moral. Yeah, now we'll understand. See, a weak moral, a high moral. Virtue is a high moral, and vice is a weak moral. Got it, guys? High moral, weak moral.
yeah.
Now, yeah, now, again, mountain, valley, genius, genius, brain, idiot, think. Mountain have valley, genius have brain,
Intelligent.
idiot, intelligence. I will go with the intelligence.
Yeah. I too.
Anyone? Me too. Me too. It's not I too. Okay.
Oh, sorry.
Anyone
Yeah.
else having option? No. Just
Sorry.
lock D. Let's say B. Idiot. Oh God, we are idiot, yaar. Mountain is something big and valley is something small. It's opposite. It's antonyms. Like you are getting me. The like high, short, like large, small. This is the analogy. So genius
Yeah.
is very high moral, high intelligence. Idiot. We are idiot. Just don't believe me. Okay? Use your own intelligence. Now I need to send this in group for remembrance. Okay, now I wink heart beat. pump, throw, move. I wink. Wink means aankh marna, like winking after seeing girl. Okay, so I wink, so heart, pump or throw, but I will go with pump.
Yeah.
Everyone, anyone else having
Yes.
option?
Yeah.
Everyone pump. Okay, let's see. Option B, throw. Just don't believe me, guys.
What is throw?
Oh yeah, we'll see
Check
that.
it.
We'll see that. I am also remembering. It was not pump. Now I remember. It is something throw. Okay. Let's see what is the meaning of throw. What is the meaning of throw? Guys, my voice is coming or not? It's a beat. है ना? Throb is a beat, something related with beat. Guys, my voice is coming or not? राकेश, मेरा आवाज आ रहा है क्या? राकेश,
Yeah.
आवाज आ रही है? ओके,
आ
ओके,
रहा है, आ रहा है।
ओके। थोड़ा
यस।
धीरे बोल रहा हूँ मैं, बहुत तेज तेज बोल रहा हूँ। मेरा पार्टनर होगा तो वो बर्दाश्त कैसे करेगा कल से? आज तो नहीं है ना।
मजे से बोल, मजे से।
ड्रॉ वर्क टू मेक स्टार्ट रेगुलर मूवमेंट। ओके, इम्पोर्टेंट ना इसको। और कुछ क्यूअर के बारे में देख लेते हैं। व्हाट इज क्यूअर? व्हाट इज क्यूअर गाइस? एनीवन नो अबाउट क्यूअर? एनीवन नोज अबाउट क्यूअर? एनी एनीवन गाइस? एनीवन गाइस नो अबाउट क्यूअर? क्यूअर, क्यूअर इज समथिंग लाइक कांपना, शेकिंग। ओके,
quiver,
क्यूअर, कांपना, स्पंदन, थरथरा, ट्रेम्बलिंग। ओके, ट्रेम्बल। We should finish this section, yaar. This is so easy. Okay, and new things we are learning. Quiver is trembling, throb is something like beating, circle, some circumference, square, perimeter. Guys, what? Everyone agree? Agree? Agrees?
Yes.
Okay. What is the circumference formula for
Yeah,
circle?
beat the pen.
What is the circumference formula for circle? Come on, guys, fast.
2 pi r.
Yeah. And square perimeter? Fast, Amston, fast. स्क्वायर पेरीमीटर। राकेश बोलना।
4a.
हाँ, ओके।
Okay, 4 a,
वॉल्यूम ऑफ
4
सर्कल,
into side.
वॉल्यूम ऑफ सर्कल, एम्स्टन, वॉल्यूम ऑफ सर्कल।
4 by 3 pi r cube.
ओए सर्कल
4
इज
by 3
2D,
pi r cube.
सर्कल इज 2D। आई वाज जस्ट कंफ्यूजिंग यू। हाउ 2D पिक्चर हैव ऑल वॉल्यूम, है ना?
Oh,
इट्स नॉट स्फेयर।
yeah, correct. Sorry, sorry.
हाँ, फंस गया ना? ओके, स्क्वायर, स्क्वायर एरिया, side into square, like side into side. Circle area, pi
Side,
r square.
Side square.
Okay,
side cube.
चलेगा?
Pi r square.
Okay, move with the next question. Now we have car. To run car we need petrol. To run television what we need, guys?
Electricity.
Electricity.
Electricity. I think antenna. I will go with the antenna. I will go with the antenna.
I will go with the electricity.
Anyone
It is
else? Anyone else? Let's see.
बिना antenna के हो सकता है।
अरे यार, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी ही होगा। इट इज इलेक्ट्रिसिटी।
टेलीविजन तो बिना एंटीना के भी चल जाएगा।
हाँ, अब तो चल जाता है ना, पहले नहीं चलता था। दैट्स अर्लियर विदाउट एंटीना हाउ वुड
पहले तो
हैव।
अभी
जब
नहीं।
व्हेन वी यूज्ड टू सी दूरदर्शन एंड बोंगो जूनियर जी शक्तिमान। आई एम दैट जनरेशन गाइस। हु इज सेंडिंग मैसेज?
Everyone is from that generation.
ओके, नाउ Doctor is related to patient in the same way as lawyer is related to client. Customer,
Accused.
And
client ना, client.
Accused.
accused.
ना
Accused.
यार, accused.
Accused.
Accused is something who is not customer of lawyer. Uh, customer of customer of doctor is patient na, and customer of lawyer is,
Yeah.
let's see. Okay, I will win. I know. Yes, I won the match. It's a client. Pardon, guys. You lost.
Client.
Okay. Remember that.
Okay.
Okay. Now the next question is bread is related to bakery.
Killing.
In in the same way, brick is related to,
Killen. Option B.
है ना, something kiln. Yeah, bread is made in the
Brick killen.
bakery, and where brick made kiln. किलन, फर्नेस यार, भट्टी में बनता है, मेरे को कंफ्यूज कर दिया। किलन, लेट्स सी अबाउट किलन क्या है किलन। ओके,
भी तो रहता है।
ना ना, किलन तो सुना ही नहीं। मुझे लग रहा था, आई वाज फीलिंग
मैंने
दैट फर्नेस समथिंग, समथिंग हीटिंग अप, वी हीट इन भट्टी, ईट भट्टी, यू मस्ट हैव हर्ड ऑफ। लेट्स सी व्हाट दिस फकिंग किलन इज। A kiln is thermally insulated chamber type of oven that produces temperature sufficient to complete some process such as hardening, drying. What is kiln used for? Kiln oven for frying, drying, baking, hardening or burning a substance, particularly clay products but originally also grain and meal. यार, kiln भी हो सकता था। The brick kiln was a major advance in an ancient because it is very strong.
ब्रिक किलन करके तभी बोला।
Oh, no? Oh, it was so close. We'll see about the answer on net also. Okay. Okay. Bakeries, Metra, Kiln, furnace. Let's see this answer, yeah. Kiln was so close. Mint. What is this mint? Mint process. Let's see. Bread is related to bakery and brick is related to kiln. Yeah, you're right. Region bread is manufactured similar. अबे तू तो सही है यार, ये ऑप्शन ही गलत है।
Yeah,
इसको डाल, इसको मैं वो करूँ
हो सकता है
ना।
कि फर्नेस में हम चीजें जला देते हैं बिल्कुल।
रिमेम्बर रिमेम्बर रिमेम्बर। इसको हम क्या करें, इसको ग्रुप में भेज दूँ। आई शुड सेंड इन ग्रुप। हाँ हाँ
Yeah,
हाँ हाँ।
rather than sending into a group, do one thing, just open your notepad and make a PDF, and then later you can send into the group.
पीडीएफ।
It might be the one.
अरे
हाँ,
लैपटॉप में नोटपैड कहाँ है? अच्छा नोटपैड हाँ होता है। लेट्स सी। अरे यार कौन इतना करने जा। आई एम ऑल्सो किलन ना।
सीधा ग्रुप।
नेक्स्ट किलन,
हम्म।
किलन का प्रोसेस देखे। विल सी अबाउट मिंट आल्सो।
तो ब्रिक के लेंस का सर्च, ब्रिक के लेंस सर्च कर पहले।
ब्रिक किलन। ओके।
पिक्चर शो, हाँ पिक्चर शो हो जाएगी तेरे को पूरा।
अच्छा यार, दिस आर जनरल थिंग वी शुड नो अबाउट ना। ये देख, यही है, सही बोल रहा था, यू आर राइट यार। सी,
हम्म।
बिग फर्नेस डालूं एक बार तो। बिग फर्नेस, it is similar but more it is kiln. Okay, I will remember that. Life is related to death in the same way hope is related to Guys, anyone?
What does desperate mean?
Despair means hopeless.
So please you what
Everyone? Anyone having else option? My option is also despair. B. It is correct. What is mint यार? Mint तो नहीं देखा. Didn't saw mint. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah. Mint. Mint. Mint is in mint process. Minting, coinage or coining, the process of manufacturing coins using a kind of stamping. The process using both hammered and milled coinage. Oh, got it, guys. Minting is the coinage, like to make a coin. Okay, it's a new word to remember. Okay, now next question. Math is related to the numbers in the same way history is. Events, dates, wars, people. क्या होगा? Guys, be active, yaar.
events?
Anyone having else option? No. I will also go with
Was.
wars. I will go with the events. Let's see. What's your analogy
Yeah,
wars for war? Amston? Amston, is this you?
Yes, yes.
What's your analogy? You why you are
Just said
going with
like
the
that.
war? No analogy. Like number makes that's a little without numbers we won't be studying maths, so without events we won't be study history, the important events that took
yeah.
place that
They're not
year.
only wars. There are so many there are so
Now
many
we
events.
don't read only war, only history about
Yeah, okay,
wars.
okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
makes sense.
Making sense?
Yeah,
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 Okay,
yeah.
let's see.
Events is the right.
Yeah, B, we are correct. Okay, Amstand, correct yourself.
Yeah,
Now
yeah.
the next question is, mirror is related to reflection in the same way water is related to refraction, conduction, dispersion, immersion. Mirror reflects water.
refraction.
Yeah, refraction also, but immersion also, na? Water.
What
Wa
does immersion means?
Immersing, when the object immersed in water, like dipping some object in water. There is
Okay,
confusion between immersion and refraction.
it might be the reflection.
The
Yeah,
phenomena of light, no? Immersion is not a phenomena of light.
yeah, yeah. Analogy, understand. Refraction, yeah.
The
You people
reflection
are
is the
right.
answer.
Yeah. Now, the next question is, wood is related to charcoal in the same way as coal is related to wood charcoal. When we burn wood, it
We
leaves
get
charcoal.
charcoal, and when we burn coal, we get coke. Or
Coke
yeah, yeah.
or
का,
ash,
काला काला नहीं बच जाता पीछे
तो उसको
बिल्कुल नॉर्मल
कोक
सा
बोलते हैं.
हाँ
Amson, everyone, coke. Can I lock coke?
No idea.
My ash. Maru, sorry, मतलब my option is ash. Let's see. कंप्यूटर जी ताला लगा दिया जाए. सी कोक रे. सच बोल रहा था. क्या यार, मेरे को क्यों नहीं आता? मेरा भी बहुत गलत होता है. कैसे पास करूंगा मैं? ओके.
जैसे बाकी करे हैं
अरे यार, बाकी पता नहीं कैसे होगा. Appreciation is related to reward. In the same way, discourage is related to punishment. Punishment, guys. Punishment.
पनिशमेंट
punishment, yeah, punishment. Uh,
एप्रिसिएशन से रिवार्ड मिलेगा तो डिसग्रेस से पनिशमेंट
yeah,
मिलेगी.
because crime is something that is done, okay. It's a disgrace to do crime. Guilt is something proven crime, isn't, guys? Allegation is something not proven crime. But punishment is the right word to fit here. Let's see. Yes, correct. Now the next, oh, it's 35. Now the next question is, book is related to magazine in the same way newspaper is related to journal, news, article, headline. Book is related to magazine. Yeah, magazine is
It might be
some kind of book that is read by some journal, headlines, article. I will go with the newspaper is related with the news. No, no, news is not tangible. What's the analogy, guys? What's your thinking? If some book is magazine, uh, then newspaper is related to
मैगजीन पार्ट रहेगा ना बुक का. मैगजीन इज आल्सो ए बुक.
magazine is also a book.
कि
Yeah,
नहीं?
हाँ मैगजीन. तो फिर जर्नल भी तो न्यूज़पेपर ना, हेडलाइन न्यूज़ भी तो, फिर तो
जर्नल.
जर्नल होगा फिर तो. लेट्स सी यार, गाइस, एनीवन?
आर्टिकल भी रह सकता है.
आर्टिकल ना.
आर्टिकल रह सकता है जी. हम्म.
वी हैव मस्ट हैव हर्ड ऑफ न्यूज़पेपर में इन्होंने आर्टिकल लिखा, आर्टिकल आर्टिकल. लेट्स सी आर्टिकल. जर्नल यार. फक यार.
जर्नल.
क्या है भैया? लेट्स सी जर्नल का मीनिंग, सबका मीनिंग खोजना पड़ेगा. Is journal a book or magazine? Magazines are often called periodical because they are published at fixed interval periodically, such as weekly, monthly, or currently. Journals is another term for such publication, but is normally restricted to specialized or scholarly purposes. Is journal a magazine or newspaper? Magazine and newspaper provide current, focused information, and specialized magazine and journal provide in-depth coverage. Books are usually better. What is journal, yaar? Or journal, newspaper same. Journal contain original research and typically focus on one experiment. Newspaper and magazine refer to the research but do not. कुछ सही मीनिंग नहीं कहना, मैगजीन का कहना. यार मैगजीन समथिंग that is comes periodically, and journal, why journal is a called a book, why journal is related to a newspaper. Correct word, journal. गाइस तुम लोग बोर नहीं ना फील हो रहे हो? वो
नहीं
विदाउट
नहीं बिल्कुल नहीं।
रिलेटेड टू न्यूज़पेपर. बिकॉज यार हमारे पास कम समय है, हम एक एक सेक्शन 50 क्वेश्चन भी करेंगे. तो कितना हलवा है और करके निपटा देंगे जितना जल्दी एज फास्ट. we then we will be focusing on our interview as well na. Our journals and newspaper are the same. Journal contains original research and typically focused on one experiment. Newspaper and just copy paste kar. Remember this. If it comes, where we have to go. Let's ask everyone. Tell answer, guys. Answer. Mouse is related to a cat in the same way fly is related to spider, rat, horse, animal. Spider? Spider?
Yes, spider.
Okay.
या
Okay.
स्पाइडर.
Okay. Kilogram is related to quintal. In the same way, paisa is related to 1 kilogram.
रुपी.
1000 kilogram is quintal. 100 paisa is rupee. I'll go with the rupee. Anyone having else option? Else analogy? No. Let's see.
No.
Yes, rupee. Okay. The next. Which one of the following is same dozen score decade? Dozen is 12 score decade century
10
number
और आ गया।
century ना decade
Counting.
counting.
काउंटिंग
I will go with the century.
सेंचुरी।
Yeah, something
या आई आल्सो
my
विद
instinct is saying just like here it is mentioned decade. Decade is 10 years. Century is 100 something 100. Dozen is something 12. And score is the collection of anyone else having guys other than counting.
व्हाट्स
Are you score? How much score? Dozen decades. One dozen is 60% of one score. How many scores in a dozen? A dozen 12, a score 20. है ना? Something 20 is known as score.
हाँ
Sure.
Correct. Got it, guys? New thing. Why my wife is burbering it? Which one of the final? So let's see. It's century. The new thing we have heard about something score that is 20.
स्कोर
Hmm. So which one of the following is same as flood, fire, cyclone? Flood, fire, cyclone. All are the natural disaster. Earthquake, guys.
या
Anyone having else
यस
option?
अर्थक्वेक
Yeah, B. Earthquake. Which of the following is same as Kathak, Bihu, Garba? कथकली पोंगल भांगड़ा भरतनाट्यम
कहाँ के डांस थे
भांगड़ा भरतनाट्यम पोंगल कथकली
कथकली कथकली
कथकली is
क्योंकि
nothing but
भांगड़ा पंजाब का भरतनाट्यम
hmm? कथकली
हम्म
it's a dance form यार कथक
या
बिहू गरबा पोंगल is a festival okay Bharatnatyam is also dance form bhangra is a dance form kathakali is dance form kathakali kathak Bharatnatyam I will go with the राकेश क्या लग रहा है तू किसके साथ जाएगा मेरा तो मन कर
भांगड़ा के साथ
मैं भी भांगड़ा एवरीवन भांगड़ा लेट्स सी भांगड़ा तो आंसर देखते हैं ना क्या है नेट पे
कथकली का देख क्या सीन है
क्या पूछ दे रहे हैं यार हम साले इंजीनियर्स डांस फॉर्म ऑफ पंजाब
भी यार डांस है ट्रेडिशनल ड्रामेटिक डांस है
ट्रेडिशनल डांस है ना
केरला का हाँ
भरतनाट्यम भी तो
चार्ल्स
डांस है
रहता उसको पता होता
फेमस डांस नहीं मतलब
भरतनाट्यम कुछ नहीं
भरतनाट्यम एक क्लास है शायद भरतनाट्यम एक डिसिप्लिन है
हाँ लेकिन कुछ
जैसे कंटेम्प्रेरी
ट्रेडिशनल रहेगा एक दूसरा रहता है
है ना चल बांगड़ा ही लगाते हैं यार कितना इसमें करें विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज द सेम एज स्टील ब्रॉन्ज ब्रास कैल्साइट मैग्नीशियम मीथेन जिंक स्टील
इसमें
इज
पता क्या था देख कथकली जो है वो ट्रेडिशनल डांस नहीं है
अच्छा
ट्रेडिशनल डांस है मतलब वहाँ
हम्म
का
हम्म
और वो दूसरा वो अपना भरतनाट्यम एक
हम्म
क्लासिकल डांस है
हम्म
ऐसा डिफरेंस हो सकता है मे बी
चल याद कर लेते हैं कुछ
क्योंकि
नहीं
दोनों एक
बचेगा
ही
तो
जगह
एक
पे
ही
है
महीने तक तो याद रखना है गाइस क्यों गाइस ओके विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज सेम एज स्टील ब्रॉन्ज ब्रास These are all. What is, guys?
Zinc,
Guys,
metals,
what is this? Steel,
met,
branch, and brass. Tell me the word. Tell me the word. You are, you are seven
metal,
people, I guess. You are
metals.
seven people, six people. You are. Tell me the word. What is this steel, branch, and brass collectively called? It is alloy, guys. And my,
Metals.
uh, eh, not metal,
Piles.
not metals. Metals and alloy are different. Alloy is a combination of, you know, metals. Okay, that
Yeah.
is
Yeah, got it.
chemically
But in the
mixed.
option there are no alloys, no.
And now, so some, what is the analogy you are? Yeah, you are absolutely correct. So what is the analogy you are following?
I'm following like other than zinc, those are not metals. So from the option, those are mostly metals.
No,
So
no,
zinc
no.
is the option.
There's something analogy. There is, everything is common in steel. Which of the following is common in steel branch brass? Either zinc or either magnesium. But does really zinc found in
Oh,
steel? No, na. Magnesium found in steel. Branch found in magnesium found in branch. Magnesium found in brass. So I will go with the magnesium. What about you guys?
okay, okay.
Let's see. Option D, it's zinc.
Okay.
Damn. Damn. We have to see the composition, yeah. Composition. Because only one, these are the questions that can be asked, yeah. No one knows. We have to be prepared fully. Not a single, we would not leave any single stone unturned. All are alloys. Magnesium. Oh God. This question is wrong, guys. Wrong. The correct option is magnesium. Okay.
It might be the magnesium.
See, magnesium is alloy. If everything is alloy, this question's damn wrong, damn wrong. I must have, what is the page number? 184 now? 184, 184.
We have found two errors, no, in this
Yeah, yeah,
PDF. Okay.
yeah. It's a wrong question. Okay. Now, next question is what? Which of the following is same as wrestling, karate, boxing,
Judo.
judo? Yeah. Now,
Huh.
21,3,574. Okay, I think the next section has come up. Till now we would leave here. Okay, guys, it was 42 question. Okay, all guys, let's send this. Okay, till now na.
Gyan, can we have a meeting in the evening today?
Guys, let you know, the
We can
evening is
discuss simultaneously the other PDF.
uh, mm, maybe in the evening we uh, yeah, there is preparation for interview. I am so much occupied. Maybe
Okay.
let's move with this 2 to 3 days with this. Then we'll do that. This is not very big deal, guys.
Okay.
This
Okay.
PDF can be solved very. I think if we will go continuously for 1 hour at least, it will end up very soon. Okay. Mm, don't take so much worry. It's not
So
a
we'll be
rocket.
meeting tomorrow.
Yeah, tomorrow is the same time. Okay. Okay, guys. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Okay.
Uh,
Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
everyone, see you.
Thank you.
One
Yeah.
section
Have
we
a
have
nice.
completed. हाँ, अरे यार टिल नाउ में मैंने मार्क्स वो क्यों लगा दिया क्वेश्चन मार्क टिल नाउ Okay. From tomorrow we will be covering till now. Tomorrow we will be covering tomorrow MORROW. We will be covering further. Okay. So guys, thank you so much. Have a nice day. और मैं ये भेज देता हूँ ना, क्या बोलते हैं, रिकॉर्डिंग भेज दूँ ना राकेश ग्रुप पे, कोई दिक्कत?
हम लोग ग्रुप में भेज दे
ओके ओके बाय।
रिकॉर्डिंग।
Send,
ठीक है,
send.
ओके बाय।